Welcome everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Let me put my lucky baseball cap this morning. How's everybody doing? How is everybody doing? Where's my soundboard? Huge applause to everyone who's just joining. What's up? What's up? Morning, Trader Oracle, Mesopeti, Kenny. Alicia, hey. New day, new hopes, yes. How's it going? I'm in my pajamas still, so don't worry. Anna, hey there. Anna, I hope you're feeling better. Peter, hey. What's up, everyone? Who did I miss? Nobody, I hope. All right. So, we have news actually just came out. News just came out. I think it was pound. What is it? Claim and count change. Okay, I need that. Yeah, who cares, right? Nothing really. No, come on. Come on. Don't say that. New day, new hope. You have to refresh, recharge batteries, and, you know, continue to grind. There's no stopping. There's no option B. There's no option B. A lot of numbers. Yeah. Look at the number. It's not that good as expected. Oh, sorry. It is good. Oh, there has been a revised number as well. Wow, what just happened? Okay. Changing the number of people claiming unemployment-related benefits. So they were expecting more people, but the previous one was revised, but the current one is still positive. 2K in drawdown in 2 accounts. What happened, Anna? Did you do something this London session or early London session or Asia session? I hope you did not. I hope you just left everything as it was yesterday. I sure hope so. All right. So let's see. What do we have? Yesterday, by the way, if you look back to yesterday, look at this. The AM session was a complete garbage. I mean, just look at the 5-minute, because we are all scalpers and day traders. It was a disaster. Come on. Anna, come on. Come on. You can do better. Anyway. Anyway, look at yesterday AM session, New York. Complete disaster. After the open, okay, we saw this drop. Great. After that, and the PM session was a torture. Look at this. I mean, until 4 p.m. It was a complete torture. Nothing. Untradeable. And I just have a feeling that we might not be seeing anything else today. If you zoom out to the 1-hour chart, well, I still like these levels up there. Buy side liquidity on the April 15th high at 351. I do like that level. It's very close. I think on the big picture, Nasdaq is still gonna stay bullish. And there was one level I was hoping that we will go for yesterday. And that is the 314.50, which is actually a 5-minute fair value gap. I'm gonna put a box here, or a gap, or whatever we want to call it, and that's just gonna be a 5-minute fair value gap. Okay, so that is something I wanted to see. So let's see. Francis, we're in range. Yeah, exactly. Hello, now, good morning. 1 hour and 4 hour BC supporting current prices. Exactly. Yesterday, literally closed the computers and walked away. If not, I saw it coming from distance. Yeah. This was a prime and typical example of the full dog shit AM session and the even bigger cat shit PM session. It was interesting to see the spike during the lunch hour, but it was a liquidity sweep, that's for sure. But nothing else, nothing. Market open, yes, we know this. And after that, except for this sweep and lunch hour, nothing. Just terrible price action, terrible, absolutely terrible price action. Boss, good morning. Good to see you. Yeah, Francis. Powell speaks at 10 a.m. Oh, he will, right? Oh, man. Powell is going to speak at 10 a.m. So, you know what that means, guys? Just so you know. That means that there's most likely... Well, how should I say? You should not trade until at least 10:30. That's it. So typically, Powell is destroying the whole AM session today, which means that clean price action should be after like 10:30 or 11 a.m. right? So that means, why are we sitting at the computer? What are we doing? Why don't we go out and enjoy our day? Because Powell is just going to put his pants down, stand behind everyone, and you know what's going to happen. That's what's going to happen. So it's just not worth to take on risk. Anyway. I'm chart addict. You're confessing. All right. I'm too. No rubber, Peter. No rubber. Good that you mentioned it. No, he's not using rubber or anything. So yeah. And it's gonna be real messed up. So that means like the silver bullet, quote unquote silver bullet hour, is pretty much is gonna be a total mess. At least the first 30 minutes for sure. I don't know how long is he gonna speak. I mean, if there's gonna be no questions or press conference after it. Where is he gonna speak? At Netherlands. Okay, for Region Bankers Association Amsterdam. Okay, so I think his speech is gonna be about for 10 minutes or something like that. We'll see. Hopefully. Maybe 20 minutes, hopefully. Because everybody else wants to speak too if this is a conference. But worst case scenario, it should not be longer than 30 minutes, right? So here we are. What's the range? 76. Oh my god, less than 10 points. It's awful. It's awful. It's actually painful to watch this, but maybe we will see something happening. Maybe. And maybe it will go to 314 maybe. What's on the downside? Asia low. This is not Asia low. Okay, so the Asia low is actually right here. I'm gonna put this down there. Push the like button, guys, if you can help out the stream. Please push those likes, push it, and subscribe if you can. Why is my live sub count not working anyway? Asia low. Sell side liquidity, Asia low. Okay. All right. 62 is not far. It can go there. By the way, just saying, there's a competition going on, of course, as always, in the prop firm space at futures too. So TOPSTEP decided to extend their sale for $19 on the 50K accounts until the 20th of May, which is next Monday. So guess what happened? BULENOX did the same too. BULENOX extended their sale from yesterday until next Monday, just like TOPSTEP did on their 50K accounts. Actually, all of their accounts. But so while TOPSTEP goes down to $19, BULENOX goes down to $18. Don't tell me that that's not like something they're aiming to do, like to compete with each other. So anyway, option 2 accounts, which is end of day, and both option 1, of course. All of the 50K accounts, end of day trading as well, lifetime, not just the first month, are down to $18. Yeah, the competition, right? So I opened up my affiliate panel and I saw that they are extended the sale for next Monday, BULENOX, and then the email came through from TOPSTEP that the party keeps going on until next Monday. I mean, it was the opposite way. First TOPSTEP came out and then BULENOX changed the sale. So guys, the competition is real amongst these prop firms. Sometimes I guess it's good, sometimes I'm not sure. Tom, do you know if we can copy trade on Apex, Rhythmic, and NinjaTrader? Yes, you can copy trade if you have Rhythmic connection and you're using NinjaTrader with Apex. Yes, DM, you can copy trade, but you need the Replicanto. You can buy a trade copier from Apex too, or you can use Replicanto. You have to install it, but you can copy trade. The one thing I'm not sure is if you can copy trade between multiple prop firms with the Apex trade copier in NinjaTrader. Replicanto has that feature, but you have to pay upfront the license for multiple computers or multiple accounts. I'm not sure because I never used that feature from Replicanto, but it's expensive. It's like extra $60 or $100, whatever. I don't even know. The best for you to do if you have Rhythmic connection is to download QuantHour. You register on the website on QuantHour. It's free, and the first week, the first 7 days, you get the trade copier with all the multiple connection features for free. So you get it for free for the first 7 days. Okay, for a brand new registration, you get it for free, and you can try it out. You don't have to pay anything. Both the trade copier and the multiple connection feature, everything you get. Okay, let me show you, which is right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Oh, you guys can see it. Can you see it? So copy trading is included in QuantHour. It's built in, and you can connect multiple prop firms. It's built-in function. Just saying. That's why I think QuantHour is the easiest and most simple way. I like NinjaTrader, no issues with NinjaTrader. I think it's great, but if you're copy trading, maybe you better go with QuantHour, especially with multiple prop firms. Yeah, try QuantHour. Try it. Again, the multiple connection feature for the multiple prop firm connection is $25 per month, by the way, so you do have to pay, of course, while Replicanto is asking for a yearly fee or a lifetime fee, but it's a little bit more expensive if you're paying upfront. But still, I think it's worth to try QuantHour. All right. Where are we going? Where are we going? Seems like we're not far from this 314. Finally, maybe we can get it. This is the 5-minute chart. Oh, I deleted my indicator. I deleted my indicator. Show top, bottom, normal, large, text. Okay. Okay, that's better. This is better. Now you guys see which time frame I'm at. Better for the stream. Okay. Asia low down there, 62. You're up 300 across all my account. Okay, gonna call it a night. It's 2 a.m. in New York, yeah. Thank you so much for joining, Peter. Thank you for saying hello and everything. See you in New York session, Peter. Have a good night. Sleep well. All right. What do we have? What do we have? Yeah, congratulations on the 300 for Peter. To Peter. What do we have here? Okay. This is a blown account. Oh yeah, this is one of my funded future. Oh, this is the blown account I had. This is another one that I'm currently on. Man, oh man. 85. I don't know. Are we gonna go for that 314? I would like to go in with a few micros, so I'm gonna do that. Buying at the top, right? Because this is an evaluation account. I want to see this go here. And if it goes down, I don't want to lose more than that. Okay. So in case you're wondering where I want to see this, I want to see this finally go to 314. And this is a trade I'm willing to hold. Yeah, maybe, or maybe, you know, if we get through 300, I might take off a little bit of this one. I was eyeballing with this since a while. And, you know, for Nasdaq, it's not far. If volume kicks in to the market, you could be seeing it move to 314, or at least to try to make a new high. If not, then not. My TP is up there, 312. But I'm only risking like $80 or something, and this is an evaluation account. I'm essentially targeting the fair value gap from yesterday, and there are some very good buy side liquidity levels up there. Also, previous day high did not manage to break that previous day's high, and you know, what if it tries once more? I'm only risking $80, and this is just an evaluation account, so the risk to reward ratio is somewhat okay. The entry model was right, although I did enter a little bit late, but I don't care. It's all right. It's only 4 micros. 4 micros. Nothing serious. Nothing serious. All right. Let's see what's happening. Yo, hello Teacher FX. What's going on? Good to see you. We can call this our daily probe trade. Because it's pretty much not moving. It's not doing anything. So, yeah. What is happening here? Okay, let me see. Just updating something here on my OBS. The promo code, the promo I forgot to update. The commercial, you know. Okay. So, what's happening? Anybody doing anything special? Any trades? There. Now it's been updated. Waiting for London session. Yeah. Not much to do. I just jumped in. Waiting for New York, yeah. Just at work. Okay. What do you work, Alicia? Just curious. What do you work? Long since 272. Oh wow. That's a good entry down there. All right. What am I targeting? I'm going to show you. This is what I'm targeting here. 5-minute fair value gap just below previous day high. We have buy side liquidity up there. I'm only risking 80 bucks, guys, with 4 micros. This is an evaluation account. Don't really care too much about the result at this moment. I'm not taking this trade on a funded account, especially not in this session right now. So I'm looking for this gap, but essentially not this is the key for me, but the fact that we have an April 15 high up there, almost relative equal high at 351. That makes the whole situation bullish for me on the 1 hour and maybe higher. So, but who knows? You know, if it goes down, we still have Asia lows to sweep. Right down at, let me show you, at 262. So if it starts to change direction and if I see a clean shift, then I just go for the Asia lows. That's it. That's what I'm looking for. Nurse at hospital. Oh wow, that is awesome. Working night shift and trade New York session. Alicia, that is admirable, and literally hats off to you. Really, that is really something. You know, you work, and not just working in a night shift, but you're a nurse in a hospital, and wow, that is really something. Yeah, bless your heart. Yeah, bless your heart. And God bless you. Alicia. Really. The overnight long looks good regardless. Oh yeah, Mishka opens up. Yeah, London should be kicking some liquidity. Tom, can you do a proper ICT analysis from weekly, daily? Yeah, sure. Why not? We have some time, right? And let's do this. Alicia, by the way, I really admire anyone in any country who is working as a nurse. I think there are so many other professions as well which I admire. There are some others, but you know, doctors and nurses especially. I think it. Well, I don't have TOPSTEP X doesn't have a code. If you would like to support the stream, you just have to click on my affiliate link before you purchase a TOPSTEP X account, and the code is TOPSTEP X, by the way. So you just type in TOPSTEP X when it gives you the checkout page. There is no individual codes from TOPSTEP for nobody. Nobody has individual codes. You can support your favorite trader or streamer by clicking the affiliate link before the purchase, and use code TOPSTEP X for the $19. Yeah. They said, by the way, newsflash, really everyone, TOPSTEP extended the sale. I'm the one. I'm thank you for that. Anyone who's supporting, TOPSTEP extended the sale until next Monday. So just saying that the competition is real between these platforms. I'm going to do the analysis just a second. The competition is real. They did until next Monday. So the email came out that they are extending, and after the email came out in an hour or something, BULENOX decided to extend the sale for the option 1 and option 2 accounts lifetime discount on the 50K account and every other account for $18. So competition is real, guys. And guess what? The same date, until next Monday, BULENOX extended the $18 offer. Yeah, competition sometimes is good. Sometimes is good. Not always, but sometimes is good. But it was a little bit funny because TOPSTEP came out, BULENOX extended until Monday. So $18 for option 2 end of day trailing stop accounts as well, if you use for the 50K TOM 50, for the 100K TOM 100, and so on. But also Tom Sabo 1 is also working on option 1 accounts. So 90% off from any option 1 and option 2 accounts. And lifetime, not just the first month, let me tell you, lifetime discount. So if you blow the account, I suggest to keep the subscription, because you're guaranteed to be rebuilt and reset on the same discounted price. Okay? That's how I do it, and that's how you should do it if you want to keep your discounts, even if you unfortunately blow the evaluation account. Erkan, good morning. I watched the video, by the way. Good luck to all traders. Catching for you. Do you trade on days you request? No, when I request a payout, I do not touch that specific account. I don't touch it. I trade on a different account. Yes. So after the balance, the profit is deducted from my balance, I continue to trade. This is how it works with TOPSTEP as well. So and this is how it works with my funded futures and every other prop firm. Once the balance has been deducted, I mean the profits has been deducted from the balance, you can continue. I mean, you can continue still, but you're risking of losing some trades, and you know, you're going to go into the safety threshold and they're going to deny your payout. So think about it. Erkan, yeah. So yeah, I watched the video, and actually I'm planning to do the same, like that guy said. I'm planning to build up small steps with micros, the funded accounts, and all I'm planning to do is just, once I reach the payout threshold on every account, I just aiming to make another $1,000 every month on every account. So if I build up multiple accounts, 5, 10, whatever accounts, I am definitely just going with micros, with small trades, and I'm not continuing to trade. Even if I make $150, for example, on one specific account, I'm just gonna leave the account for the day and move on to the next one. So small steps, small steps. That also helps me mentally to manage stress and anxiety, you know, because we all have emotions, everybody, the pros as well. So yeah, because if you really think about it, that's the most stable and profitable way to go for those payouts. I mean, I'm starting to realize in the past couple of months that trading on the evaluation account is a completely different thing than building up your account to the funded or payout level. Sorry, to the payout level, because, you know, if you're funded, taking the account to a payout level is absolutely different. Different emotions, different feelings. You can say that you're a pro. Pros are having emotions too, and they have to deal with it. Everybody deals. Yeah, you need only $100. Sometimes not even $100, because just think about it. Actually, yeah, $100. So we have 20 trading days in a month, right? And for example, if you have 10 accounts, I'm going to do the analysis just a second. If we have 20 trading days, and you're aiming for at least $1,000 payout from one account, one funded account, that means even if you end up the day above $50, you know, above $50, then you should be completely fine. So don't feel FOMO and, you know, anxiety when you end up the day, for example, oh, I just made $67 today on the funded account. That's actually very good. And guess what? If you take that $1,000 out, it's super easy to focus on that number, because you can make it with just a few micros. And if you have like 5 to 10 or more, some traders have 20 funded accounts, maybe not just from one prop firm, but from multiple prop firms all together combined, then wow, going for, and not even copy trading all at once. Maybe you can, if you have like 10 funded accounts, or let's just say 5. All right, 5 is, I think it's doable. If you have 5 funded accounts, maybe at maximum you can copy trade 2, but go one by one, but copy trade 2 funded accounts with micros. You should be completely fine, completely. Anyway, I get so anxious on day 5 to qualify. Oh yeah, that's actually an edge. I mean, I love TOPSTEP. They are awesome, super great. Go check them out. I'm funded with them. I take in payouts with them. But TOPSTEP actually has a mental edge against the trader. I mean, they are putting you into a mental stress, because once you take a payout, then you have to make another 5 winning days. And I felt that multiple times, fortunately. Like, I took a payout, and the first thought from me was like, oh man, I have to focus those 200 days again. And you know, I was making $100 day, $70 day. And although I was profitable, but I said, man, I still have to make like 4 or 5 days above the 200 threshold. And sometimes that was putting me into a little bit of a emotional struggle, you know, especially when I was having a bad day, or I was tired, or whatever. That happens. Anyway, let's do that analysis. I totally forgot. Sorry. with TOPSTEP go with 150k accounts just based on their payout policy. Yeah, you can go with 150k, definitely, Francis. That's true. All right, so let's do a little bit like an ICT ish style review of what's happening with Nasdaq. This is the mini because I went from the micro to the mini just to see what's going on. So this is the daily chart, Nasdaq. Nothing special here right now. All that happened is there was an inversion gap on the daily. Not a perfect one, but look at this. I don't really care too much about this one, but this candle on the 15th of April displaced lower. This is actually an order block, by the way, on the daily chart. So if you look at this here is a bearish order block. The top of the order block is here at 518-ish area. And so, you know, guys, I like these order blocks to be taken out sooner or later. I think price eventually wants to take out this order block. Maybe not today, but maybe during the week. This order block is absolutely a target meant to be broken, right? But let's go down to the 4-hour chart. Building up buffer is worth more than payout of, yeah, exactly. So this is the 4-hour Nasdaq. We had some order blocks here. Look at this. Price went down here. This order block has been technically taken out here from the 14th of April. Yesterday, it has been completely repriced. That order block right there. Okay. That has been completely taken out, which is also a bullish sign to me that we're going to break the daily order block on the higher time frame. The top is at 518. Okay. There was another order block down here that has been broken previously. There was, what else on the 4-hour? Anyway, shifted structure here, pretty much shifted to a bullish structure. So the 4-hour is definitely bullish since the last shift. Okay, so higher lows, and pretty much look like it wants to break that 518 level. Hey Mitch, hey there. So we're looking for that 518. I'm definitely staying bullish. And let's go to the 1-hour. On the 1-hour chart, if we look to the left, almost the same scenario. Bearish order block, broken. At the top here, we see another 1-hour order block back at the 4th of April. That has been mitigated once on the 11th. Now, I would not be surprised that the higher target would be, or secondary target would be 562. But you know, guys, I like to see these order blocks. Yeah, London session in 15 minutes. Yeah. We're just doing a top-down analysis that what I think is happening here. So this is why I'm still bullish for the day or for the week maybe. Of course, that doesn't mean we cannot see some liquidity sweeps dipping lower. But this is the 1-hour chart, and as you see, you know, we're pretty much consolidating. Not much is happening, and this is bullish to me. Going for that daily order block to break, okay? On the 15-minute chart, still a strong movement. Pretty much significant. And now I can go back to my micro chart here because I have everything up here. On the 15-minute, there's a 5-minute, also a 15-minute gap at 312. That's where my take profit is. And I think we're pretty much heading there to 312. and going up for that April 15 high, 351. Okay, so this is what I think. Of course, nothing is guaranteed, nothing is for sure. Yeah, looks like it wants that 300 again. I think if it breaks through 300 with a strong displacement, it's almost like 90% sure, not 100%, but 90% sure that we should be breaking into the 5/15 minute fair value gap up there as a liquidity level, and that's what I'm hoping for. And so I do have a trade, this one. Nothing special about the entry. Actually, I missed my entry. I don't even know where it was. Oh yeah, it was here. But still, we had some fair value gaps and displacement here on the 30-second chart. I'm holding this trade for a little bit of the longer term run. For Nasdaq, actually we're not far. We're 22 points from the 15-minute gap. 22 points for Nasdaq should not be a big issue. You guys know it. But it can take some time, all right? So, yeah. Nothing is moving. I was just looking around. Daniel, hey there. How you doing, Daniel? Good to see you again. Hope you had some good trades or good profits. Sleepy, all right? Yeah, it's or actually it's pretty much Nasdaq unplugged again. Doing good. Yeah, I'm doing okay too. The market is, yeah, rip. Market is absolutely. I'm in a small long position here, targeting that fair value gap up there. Nothing special really. So, good morning, Zoltan. Jó reggelt. Good morning, fellow Hungarian trader. Jó reggelt, jó reggelt. Which reminds me, as of Hungary, it's actually not a positive news, but you guys might know that True Forex Funds, which is actually a Hungarian-based prop firm, has shut down yesterday. Not a surprise, actually, but they shut down operations completely. A lot of things are changing. Point of control is at 278, and we are now on second deviation VWAP. Pullback is now possible. Yeah, could be. Could be. Absolutely, I agree. I think you're in a good trade. Well, I'm not sure. I just made my top to down analysis why I am favoring the upside here. I might be wrong, of course. It can very well be the case that I'm wrong. But you know, that's what I'm aiming for, and that's it. Maybe I'm gonna put a line here. 15-minute fair value gap. Right. 22, 23 points. For Nasdaq, it's possible to make it. Nothing is moving, guys. Oh, I wish I could tell otherwise. We only need 5-6 point daily, not more. Exactly, Arkan. And I do like that. I like that that idea. Or, you know, 10 points a day. It's not that difficult. 10 points on Nasdaq. Can you guys imagine making 10 points on Nasdaq on average per day? So for a week, it's 50 points for a week on Nasdaq. 50 points and you're done. It's so simple to say, right? It's so simple to say, like 50 points on Nasdaq and you're okay for life. Days. At this rate speed, it should hit your target in a couple of days. Yeah, we're camping here, you know. We are camping here. We are camping out here, and in a couple of days, it should be hitting the target, hopefully. The record for this year is 6 hours. 6 hours that I was sitting in a trade. Hopefully, we can do even longer. We opened the trade just like this one in early London, pre-London session. And yeah, it was closed somewhere before the New York market open. I don't even know. So I'm looking forward to make a new record. My daily targets are 80 YM positions on 8 ES points or 20 NQ points, or a mix of them. If I reach one target, I stop trading. There you go. There you go. It's doable. It's doable. Guys, I have some cigars here. Although I don't smoke regularly. But I got, not now, but I got cigars from a friend of mine who was in where is this from? Nicaragua cigars. And the other one is from Jamaica. So I have cigars, you know. If you guys are interested, you know, we can smoke something here. You will be thought disciplined by the market if you don't stick to your rule. Oh yeah. Yes, I don't know anyone who has that discipline. I wish I had. Yeah, I'd be happy with 5 points a day and just scale it to the moon slowly. Maybe one day. Yeah, I mean it seems simple, but again, you know, it requires extremely much discipline, a lot of discipline, and you know, time, because then you will know it will not going to happen over day or over a week or weeks, not even a month or two. So if you're going with a few micros and aiming for a few points, then by the time you reach your first payout, which is on average on these preference, I'm just saying an average number is about $3,600 or something, for example, on BULENOX, then you know, reaching that first huge milestone with micros, it can take you like 2 months or maybe even 3 months, and you have to grind every day. You have to be on top of your skill every day, practice discipline every trading day. Wow, that's a real mental skill. So you will know that, okay, I'm not going to make money from this account for around maybe 3 months. You know, you have to be aware of the rules. That, I mean, your expectations has to be in line with the reality of what you're trying to do. Like, okay, if I go with micros, like maximum 4 or 5 micros, and I'm aiming for on average 8 or 10 points or 50 points on Nasdaq per week, then it's gonna take me weeks or maybe 2 or 3 months until I reach the payout. But if you reach the payout, then that's gonna be the first stage. The second stage is a much more, I mean, it should be much easier, because at the second stage payout or the second payout, you will only have to make, only quote unquote, have to make $1,000 per each account that you manage. So that would be much less stressful, easier to manage, you know. My position, the strategy is different. I have 85-90 hit rate, wow, and make only a few trades a day. I do not trade ICT. 85 to 90% hit rate is awesome. I mean, that is awesome, Erkan. That is awesome. And you know, not saying anything negative or doubting or anything, but you know, it also depends what is your risk to reward ratio, because if your risk to reward is at least 1-to-1 and you're making 85 to 90%, then you're actually, you know, you're killing the market. But most likely, you know, we are scalpers, because many people are scalpers in the day trading futures game industry, and so the risk to reward might not be always at least 1-to-1 or higher. So, you know, in reality, you know, there comes the commissions, or even myself, I might leave a trade slipping into a bigger loss than the potential winner if I'm scalping. But anyway, it's different for every trader, different strategies, different approach. all my targets, all my 3 targets yesterday anchor hits, but without. Oh yeah, well, I felt for you yesterday, Arkan. That was like, oh my god, the FOMO was absolutely real on your end. Absolutely. Ha 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 ha. Usually, about the Mondays, my Mondays are usually a little bit always better, for example, than my Fridays. My worst days are definitely the Fridays. Of course, yesterday showed the opposite example, but my worst days are usually Fridays. So that's why on Friday I am extremely cautious. And if I manage to make some profits in the London session, I don't bother the same account on that day. So maybe I move on to a different account. But the Fridays are usually very bad for me. On Monday, even if I screw up on Monday, I'm feeling sort of okay, because I say, okay, I still have like 4 days from the week to try to correct my mistake or try to aim for some profits for the week. So that's why I take Monday losses a little bit easier. On Friday, if I stuck to a loss, a losing day, it's gonna stay with me for the whole weekend. The emotion, the feeling, the frustration, I'm carrying it to my Saturday, to my Sunday. I'm feeling frustrated. So I hate to take especially a huge losing day, but I hate to walk away on a Friday with a loss for the day, or should I say overall in the red, because that is frustrating. Because you're waiting for the Monday then, like, oh my god, I want to correct this on Monday, I will do my best on Monday, and you're still frustrated. The whole weekend is messed up. Sorry. Expectation with experience. Yeah. Most think they are better than they are early on. I was no exception. Yeah. None of us are. I feel your pain. Yeah, I mean, that happens. That happens. But as you were just writing, experience gives you much more wiser expectations. So when I started trading Forex years ago, especially with prop firms, even though I was losing I lost money on my personal accounts in Forex, I had high expectations for the Forex prop firms, because I thought that, I saw all these social media posts and the Lambo flexing gurus, like, okay, maybe there's something to do here with the prop firms. And I was having high expectations, definitely. Like, I said to myself, oh, I can make, well, nothing crazy number, but I said to myself, I can make like $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 at least every week. That's what I thought, really. Then, of course, I soon saw the reality of trading with prop firms, and I saw the reality of the market, and then I saw what's happening in the Forex space. So my expectations lowered to be in line with the reality. And by the time I was trading futures, I was seeing the market in a whole different perspective. So yes, it's possible to make thousands. Mathematically, yes, you can make tens of thousands a month from futures. We see people online proved it. Legit people proved it. That's why I had to lower my expectations and my goals to, stay in line with what I believe I can do. Good morning, Raul. Hey there. Reality can suck. Yeah. So that's why I'm saying we have to do a reality check, guys, all the time. all the time. Reality check, you know. Trader G, good morning. And by the way, I want to make a video about this, and it's gonna be a little bit. I mean, how should I say this? It's gonna be about prop firms, of course, but it is going to be about some of the rules. Oh, by the way, market opened. Totally forgot. It's going to be about some of the rules which people don't really like. Oh my God, we're going down. Where is the sell side liquidity? 262. 262 is Asia low. I'm going to put it right there just to make sure I'm not forgetting it. Okay, so that's Asia low. This is actually something I don't like here. Because I'm going to tell you why. I think this is going to go down, man. This is a market structure shift, pretty much. I'm going to wait a little bit to see how this goes. If it trades above 89, then I feel okay. Otherwise, this is like it wants to sweep Asia lows. I might close this trade, but let's just leave it for now, okay? If it trades above 289.25, then it could be still all right. Okay. Nas, hey there. Well, market's going to go up now. In shorts, target 280. We try this again today. Yeah. I think it's good. I'm not in it. M2 is already reversing from this bearish pullback. That was a manipulation there. You think so? Anyway, I'm gonna wait for this trade, because if I would have entered to a short around 287, this would be already, maybe it took me out with the stop, but actually not, because it was too tight. But anyway, I'm not jumping to this short just yet. The only reason I would close this long, if we would displace lower than 282, then that would be a clear sign to go for 262. So I'm gonna wait for it for now. Okay. Actually, what I'm gonna do, just to make sure, I'm gonna modify my take profit to the round number, actually 0975. So early take profit, okay? A little bit early take profit on this one. Before it gets to the 15-minute gap. There could be some profit taking just before it hits the 15-minute gap, if it goes up there. So I want to get out before that happens. Balázs, hey there. More Hungarians. I like that. Hello, it was like, I'm interested in a short at 300. Okay. Be careful about the 15-minute fair value gap if you want to short. Bro, we've been bulls on crack for like over a year now. Pretty sure it will do 300. The way it looks like right now, 300 is pretty much looks like it wants to at least tag it. I don't know. How is the diet terrible, Trader G? It's I just can't do it. I can't, guys. I actually broke the rules on the weekend. I ate a Subway sandwich. I did that. So I just can't. I mean, I try, but it's so hard. It's so hard. And now I'm thinking of food again, and my it's super hard. How the F GameStop is going to the moon. I don't shop there ever. I don't know. I think I just saw on X that Andrew Tate is shilling GameStop super hard, so might be his followers are pumping it. I don't know. Good morning, Demian. Saw a nice SMT on YM. Nice. Subway is healthy for you. Actually, there was a lot of vegetables in it, you know. A little bit of a meat. Still all right. Yeah. Yeah. So Andrew Tate was, I saw a post, X pulled it for me, like he was chilling GameStop. But I guess they already bought, if they're really doing it on purpose, then they already bought their positions way before that. They built up their positions, so I guess they're already out, or they're gonna dump it any day. You know, they make like 20-30% profit on GameStop, and they're just gonna drop it. That's it. Jonas, yeah, my friend Damien is in the house. Good morning, Jonas. Exactly. Yeah, the Tates are just going to dump it. But 100% sure, if they really bought it, they did that way before. Way before, like it was down to $10 or whatever. I don't even know how much is it now, 26 or something like that. They bought it at 10 or whatever, and you know, easy money. They invest a few $1,000,000, gets pumped. Easy way to make a few $1,000,000 in a few days. Classic Gordon Gekko move. Blue Horseshoe likes Anacut Steel, right? Oh, you don't know because you guys are too young. I'm too old. Go watch the movie Wall Street and you will get it. Greg, good morning. The construction is pretty much going well. Yeah, great movie. I love that movie, actually. The second movie was, you know, okay-ish, I guess. It wasn't that bad, but, you know, the first movie is a classic. It aged well. It's from a different era of Wall Street and trading. Yeah, that role was designed by the gods, or by God, sorry, for Michael Douglas. Michael Douglas is made for that role. How long you been trading, Tom? Trying to become consistent? Well, I'm trading. You know, guys, I told you guys I'm trading since with prop firms. I'm trading since 2022. And by the time I got to the payout level, it was last year, October. So not too long ago. So I would say last year, 2023, October, I managed to get payout from futures. And I was making some consistency until December by taking $800 and $1,000 payouts per month. Not too much money, I know, not too much. That's only a little bit. But I had some struggle in the first quarter of the year, so only took one payout. And consistency, I don't know. Since trading prop firms, I would say in the past 1 or 1.5 years, I'm trying to find consistency with prop firms, and I'm doing way better, I can say that, than I did like 18 months ago. So I'm doing way better. I still have a lot to go for, but I was reckless in trading. I was doing stupid things. I'm not doing those things anymore. So I learned my lesson. I burned myself. I cried myself into bed and stuff like that. So no, I'm not doing those things. I'm a bit more than close to 2 years now. I'm still not consistently profitable, just saying. So I made some payouts, but I am not consistently profitable. So, newsflash. Second worst horseshit. Yeah. But we all start in the same bear market. Yeah. I installed Quant Tower, and in my opinion, looks the best trading platform I've used. So okay, that awesome, DM. That's awesome. Well, you know, get used to it, take it slowly, and I think it's, you know, it's definitely a little bit more modern than NinjaTrader. The econ has to assume we should be profitable in our first 2 years. It's all good. I mean, getting to a payout, you know, getting funded is one level. Second level, I mean, completing a evaluation account or challenge, whatever. Second level is to get a payout. The third level is to get multiple payout, and maybe the fourth level or fifth or whatever, the highest level, is to get payouts consistently. And by consistently, I mean like at least for 3 to 6 months consistently. Okay? So that would be the ultimate goal, because if you can get payouts 3 to 6 months consistently, one after the other, then, you know, then that's the key. So Okay. Hopefully we will go up. Just sent an email. Sorry guys. One after the other is the key. Yeah. Can you use Revolut card with these prop firms? Well, AV, I'm not sure. I guess you can pay. I mean, I'm using regular card to pay for these, but I think I know someone who is using Revolut to pay for the fees. Yeah, why not? I'm in a long. I'm in a long position. Still. Yeah. So. Looking for that 309 level. 309.75 is my final TP on this. Let's see what happens, you know. If it really wants to go for those levels, those areas. So don't forget it, guys. TOPSTEP extended the sale for their TOPSTEP X, and guess what? Just 1 hour after they extended the sale until next Monday, BULENOX also extended their sale. While TOPSTEP gives you the 50K TOPSTEP X account for $19, BULENOX gives you the 50K end of day trailing account, and every account, every 50K, the option 1 and option 2 account for $18. So went under $1 and extended the sale until next Monday as well. Is it a coincidence? Maybe it's just a coincidence. Maybe it has nothing to do with each other. I'm sure about that. But, you know, but the sale is still going on. 90% from 50K end of day trailing as well. Lifetime, not just the first month, lifetime discount. So even if you stack up a few accounts of these, if you blow them, make sure to keep the subscription, because you will get the same discount price if you got rebuild. That's all. Also, my funded futures still having a great sale, but there's going to be so 30% off if you're registering with my link and code, 30% off from a 50K Express account, which has the activation fee included in the price. Okay, that was the commercial. What is going on? This is not a short. I'm not in a short. All right, let me see. Waiting since Friday for MFF payouts. Do you get payout from them in the past? Can tell me how long it takes? Well, Damien, I told this on streams and in a video too, that unfortunately I blown my funded account from my funded futures. Currently, I'm redoing evaluations with them, and I haven't got a payout from my funded futures yet. I do like them as a platform, support and trading wise, everything, and of course I'm affiliated with them, but I don't have payout from trading yet from my funded futures. But so far, the ones that I talked to on Discord and they're receiving payouts, said they have no issues. Everything is working super great. So usually the payouts are handled in a few business days, like 2 to 5 business days, but you should be taken care of today or at least tomorrow. What do you think this big news can be? Well, I don't know. I listened to the space yesterday. Nothing that we know of. So no info. Not even guess. I can't even guess what's gonna come. But I'm very excited, and I do think that my funded futures, you know, reviewing all the small details and how they are operating in the prop firm space, and what they are presenting to the traders, that they want to be here to stay. They don't really want to do a rug pull. Of course, you know, nothing is for sure in this business, and you cannot really put all your eggs in one basket. But I'm really hoping that my funded futures is going to be one of the prime examples of who should we do business with. I'm really hoping for them, because what they're doing, especially with all the freedom that they give you on the expert account, and the starter also has the benefits with the micros, and you know, I can go on and on. Too many good positive benefits from my funded futures, and I hope that they will stay. Really, I honestly hope that they will stay for the long term. I do. So that's why they are technically in my top 3 funded, oh sorry, prop firms in futures. So yeah, TOPSTEP extended. Yeah, was not a big surprise. I was surprised on BULENOX, like, extended for Monday. I have 5 TOPSTEP accounts. I haven't traded them in the last 60 days. I hate the platform. Well, I have no experience with TOPSTEP, so yet I have funded account with them, but I trade with Quantower. I don't know how TOPSTEP is working. No worries. You're welcome. 300 level. Do you use TradingView with TraderWeight? Do you need to pay the bundle on CMA TraderWeight if you already bought TradingView? Competing against, yeah, they're competing. They better come out with something good. Yeah. When does BULENOX sale? The BULENOX server tunnels, welcome. They extended the sale until next Monday. It must be a coincidence, like TOPSTEP extended until next Monday, and by coincidence, pure coincidence, I think BULENOX also extended until next Monday. So well, MFFU is still fire, but 14 days is too long. I mean, bi-weekly payouts, I have no issue with that, but that's a different topic. Sorry, but Apex is better than TOPSTEP. Apex is definitely an OG and bigger. I just want to answer TradingView and TraderWeight. So do you need to pay a bundle? So if you use TraderWeight as a platform with these prop firms, and you get the login credentials through TradingView, of course, you're going to have the CME data, right? So that's awesome. That's great. You don't have to pay an extra fee on TradingView for the CME data, because you're going to have access through your TraderWeight subscription, which is not your subscription, I mean, which the prop firm is providing you. But there's a huge but. If you don't have any subscription with a TradingView, you just have the free plan, there is a lag at the candles, which is on Forex, I think 5 seconds, and in futures, I think it's 3 seconds, as far as I checked. Anyway, there's a few seconds of lag, even if you log into your TraderWeight account through TradingView. If you don't have the basic subscription or essential, I don't even know what it's called, there's going to be a 3 to 5 second lag while the candles are printing on Nasdaq. Just saying. So nobody really talks about this small detail, but because you get access to TradingView, I mean, TraderWeight through TradingView and to the CME data, and everybody wants to trade TradingView, which I think is a great platform for charting. It's an awesome platform for charting, but it's definitely not good platform for trading. I say it out loud. I'm not afraid to say it. I think actually it's one of the worst platforms to trade. That's it. I said it out. Especially if you're scalping. Your market executions are gonna lag. You're good if you're swing trading maybe, but you cannot do that really on a futures prop firm. I don't think that it's user friendly. I think trade await, if you just trade await is 5 times more user friendly than trading on TradingView. Anyway, sorry about renting so much on it, but I think it's really bad. It's lagging, it's behind, but it's a great charting platform. It's, I think, the best out there, but not for trading. Okay, that's what I think. Sue me. TOPSTEP. All other prop firms in my opinion. My fund of future is second. Oh, okay. 5 seconds then. 5. Okay, yeah. Okay, 5 seconds. Very true. Yeah, the market feels are terrible. Yeah, if you're scalping on TradingView, the market executions are going to be. You're gonna get slippage. You're gonna get slipped quite a few times, and it's not surprising, even if you have all the subscriptions on TradingView, because they're using a bridge server, so that is adding extra milliseconds to execute your orders, and it's never going to be as fast and smooth as if you're using NinjaTrader, TradeAwait, or Quantower, or even Rhythmic. I don't think anybody is trading Rhythmic Trader, but it's going to be always laggy. Only exception is the limit orders, but anyway. If you really want to make money with trading, you have to work and learn with NinjaTrader, Quantower, Sierra Chart, Atas. Forget TradingView. TradingView, yeah, TradingView is not really for day trading. Maybe if you're like trading Forex on your own and you're a swing trader, then it's okay. So you open a brokerage account at many of these supported brokerage or Forex account, a regulated Forex account on one of those brokerage firms, and you're a swing trader, then yeah, why not? Of course, I would use TradingView as well, because why not? It's not a problem. I can handle it if I'm a swing trader, but for day trading, I think it's just terrible. It's terrible. And I think that could be somewhat of a problem with TOPSTEP X. I'm not sure. I hope it's not something like that, but as much as I heard, the background, the back end, and the programming comes similar as from TradingView. I don't know. But of course, it's a new platform. Every new platform has glitches and errors to fix. So I think just give TOPSTEP a break, and they will fix it. Yeah, I have TradingView subscription too, but I'm not trading on TradingView. Sometimes I fool around. I had my funded futures TradeAwait account. Actually, it's blown up already. Sometimes I fool around and I trade on the evaluation account, or maybe paper trading, you know, something like that, but not really. Based on how good TradingView is for charting, it surprises me how terrible their trading management. I'm not saying like terrible. I just say that it's not suitable for day traders and scalpers, especially if you're trading on lower time frames, like 1 minute, maybe even lower. If you have subscription for lower access, or you're using market executions for 5 to 10 points, then TradingView is not the platform that you should be using. Daniel, have a good night's sleep. Hope to see you soon. But my all-time favorite for now is definitely, I can say that, is that my funded futures and Apex are the ones that I favor the most. Although I am funded with TOPSTEP, I do like them too. But I can say that the top 1 and 2 for me is Apex and my funded futures. And I really hope that my funded futures is going to stay for the long term. Yeah, TradingView is slow. Yeah, TradingView just should be staying for charting. For charting, they are excellent. Nothing better than TradingView for charting. Absolutely agree. But otherwise, yeah. Or again, if you're a swing trader and you're trading, for example, Forex, and you keep positions overnight or for the weekend, and you're really just swing trading, like sitting in the position for days, then of course you can link it with the TradingView. Why not? Can I ask why are you worried about? I'm not worried about my funded futures. Sorry, maybe it seemed like it. I'm absolutely not worried. Actually, quite the opposite. I think my funded futures, as I said it before, maybe I was a little bit confusing. I think my funded futures is setting up a prime example for the industry and how to manage traders. And I'm going to make a video about them again. Especially after yesterday's Twitter space. And it's not just about my funded futures, it's about prop firms. We need the prop firms as traders who don't have capital to trade. And the way their CEO was talking about those people who are gamblers, who are real gamblers, I think he was referring mainly to my funded FX. There are people, he was talking about this, who are buying 30 challenge accounts and going in with 100 lots on gold, right? 100 lots on gold all the time. He just buys the challenge account at one after each other. And when news comes in, you know, before like 8:30 or something, whatever, he just goes in with 100 lot. And if he takes a winner, he makes like $20,000 or $15,000, whatever. And that actually hurts the prop firms. The risk management is hurting. Of course, they are making money from failed challenges, but paying out people who trade like this is actually bad for the prop firm's risk management. And I agree. I completely agree that news trading, you guys might don't like what I say, but I think there is no problem by restricting news trading on the funded level, at least on the funded level. The evaluation is a different scenario, but I have absolutely no issue restricting news trading and, you know, going against the gambling style of trading with the prop firms. We need them, guys. If they're gonna get destroyed by prop gamers or gamblers, it's gonna be bad for us. It's gonna be hurting anyone. The prop firm industry is having like a considerable turmoil this year, pretty much. And that is why it's very important to have proper risk management. If I would be a CEO or owner of a prop firm, I would definitely not be flexing with Lambos like a recent prop firm CEO like a recent prop firm that just pulled the rug, and their CEO did with 2 Lamborghinis. Okay, so I would not be. That is like crazy to flex with Lambos like that. The other thing, you have to put cash reserve. For example, FTMO, and it was a very good information yesterday on the space, Twitter space. FTMO is having huge cash reserves. They are making ridiculous amount of money in the past few years. They are, by the law, they must put their financial reports online. And I checked it myself too. Anybody can have access because it is posted online on the Czech Republic's tax report or whatever website, you know. And they are making a ridiculous amount of money, and there are multiple companies linked together. They are into real estate, just saying. They are into real estate. They are into other businesses too. So FTMO built up huge cash reserve. That's how I think maybe they can survive. But they're also having troubles with the license and with the payout processors in this manner. I think there should be okay. I vouch for them. I hope that they will be okay. I'm not trading with Forex prop firms, but FTMO is a big one. But the lack of risk management from the small prop firms caused some trouble. That's why they went down. And of course, if you're taking the money and buying Lambos and not really working on long term, that's going to put you into a difficult spot. And my funded futures, I think the way they behave, the way they're doing things are really for the traders, and I like to work with them, and I hope that they're going to stay for the long term, because I do want to trade with them and I do want to promote them. Anyway, TOPSTEP needlessly changed the conversion. Traders were asking for a mini micro ratio, the ability to trade more accounts. Yeah, they have not fixed those two things. Instead, traders are talking about issues. Yeah, so yeah, I know. To be honest, I don't think MF is very serious, but that will become apparent in the future. They just banned Alpine. Oh yeah, I was reading all about the Alpine thing on Discord and everywhere. I was actually in the Discord when they were chatting. So I know Alpine is trading a specific strategy. I think he's a cool guy. But I also understand the concerns of my funded futures and the risk management team, especially on the simulated funded accounts, you know. But I'm not going to go into details. I do hope that, that's why I do hope that they're going to stay for the long term, because as far as I see, they're really doing everything for the traders. So TOPSTEP, yeah, they promised to fix the micro mini conversion, but they didn't say it's going to happen only on TOPSTEP X. And yet TOPSTEP X is having issues, but I think they are going to solve it. TOPSTEP is a great company, as I said. I think they're doing everything they can, and I do believe that they're going to work on getting more people interested in their trading platform. And I think, I mean, it's not even a rumor, this is just my personal opinion, they will work on the micro mini conversion in the future on other platforms too. Okay, I think TOPSTEP is a great company, still one of the best in the top 3. Right, and they are there's also a rumor which has been partially confirmed that they're going to let traders have 10 accounts. Like TOPSTEP can let you have 20. TOPSTEP is going to let people have 10 accounts, but it could be only with TOPSTEP X. Not sure. So that's a good thing. All right, let's just wait. So guys, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. if you haven't already. Also, if you would like to support, please use my links and codes. That really helps being here full time. Thank you, thank you. All right. Yeah, price is going nowhere. Price is definitely not going anywhere right now. I don't know what could be the issue. Somebody pulled the plug again. And by the way, if you can support, I'm going to insert an advertisement here, and if you see an ad popping up, please just watch it till the end. Maybe you can even click on it, and the ad revenue also helps the channel. Thank you, thank you. Well, we're just hovering here. Even if you look at the 1 minute, I mean, look at this. No displacement, nothing special. Nothing is happening. No major structure shift. It's absolutely doing nothing. Origin ad block. Right. Anybody knows if we can dock charts on TOPSTEP X? Oh, I don't know. I can't help you, Ayub. I have to type name of the chart example. Yeah. So what I plan to do, Tom, is rock 30 seconds. Oh, thank you for the subscription, John Rogers. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And they're really conservative and just taking the winning trades by matching SMI, HA candles, and using VWAP. That's absolutely a good plan. I like that. Does YouTube pay also for view time in general? No, I mean, no, only for the ads, only for ads. So, honestly, I made $138 last month from this channel. $138 last month. This month I'm doing, currently it's gonna be a first month. I'm doing $38 right now this month on YouTube. So it's not gonna change my life, but it's, you know, it's good for paying some utility bills, you know, and it's helping me out. So that's why I'm saying. A+ setups and no trading, emotional or gambling, no more random trades. That's it. Exactly. It's a choice. And you said it right, Naz. It's actually a choice. You're the one who's making the choice. And you can, you know, get over it just like that. With a simple choice. Exactly. By the way, the Take Profit Trader sale still going on. It's in the description down there. I forgot to say that. It's 40% off and no activation fee. So 50K account for $102, including the activation fee. Instant payout. So check him out too. It's always news traders find themselves holding on to over leverage. Those are trying to fix it. Shame, no dignity in being a bitch. Thinking I could go up in the market by hoping, yeah, super cringe. Prasad, hey there. I'm doing okay. Good to see you, Prasad. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, so I told you guys earlier, weeks ago maybe, it was many weeks ago, I know a guy here in my country in person who actually pissed away tens of thousands of dollars on challenge accounts, and he was also up. I mean, he managed to, I mean, he pissed away like $50,000 on challenge accounts. Again, let that sink in. $50,000 on challenge accounts, but that's not the thing. He pissed it away in under 30 days. No, 40 days maybe, more than a month. So in about 6 weeks, let's just say. So in about 6 weeks, he pissed away $50,000 for challenge accounts. And finally, on FTMO, he managed to, and he's news trading, right? On FTMO, finally on a FOMC day, full margin, going all in, he managed to pull his account, a 200K account. I think it was 200K. 200K account, he managed to pull it up to 26 or $27,000 in profit. So he actually made back $26,000 or $27,000. Sorry, just wait till the end. He made back $27,000 from FTMO. FTMO paid him out, although he was purely gambling. He got the money, and the $27, he pissed it again in about 3 weeks. It took him about 3 weeks. He put the money right back to where it came, to FTMO and other prop firm. I think it was Funded Next as well. I don't know. And he put back the money. So basically, that's it. And he was doing just the same thing. Buying challenges one by one. I mean, full margin, no stop, going for the news. Who cares? And even on the funded account, he was going, if we managed to get, because of course he got funded with that kind of money. On the funded account, he went for all in, full margin, doesn't care. There you go. And I completely agree when some prop firms are saying that those kind of people actually hurting. Also, it's good because they're depositing money, but there should be some restriction, some midpoint to handle those people, I think. And I feel sorry for the guy because he's actually not a rich guy. He's not rich or something. He had money, but he's not rich. And he pissed away 50,000, more than 50 actually. Oh, actually it was, I think it was over $60,000. And even though he got a payout, and you know what he said? And I think that's the problem that builds up a bad attitude or bad habits, bad mental perspective towards these firms. Like, he said that, okay, finally now I got the payout, or I got the funded account, because he called me, I got the money, I got the funded account or whatever, and from now on I'm gonna be doing just fine. This was the point. From this point, everything is gonna be, I'm gonna keep the risk management, I'm gonna keep it slow. This is the point. I'm gonna be, you know, flying straight, doing everything how I should do, blah blah blah. But of course, the other day he didn't. He went all in, full margin. There you go. So yeah. Miles Production, thank you for the subscription. Miles Production, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome, welcome to the channel. Yeah, that could be the case, Naz. I don't know, but 100 up 110 on London with 55 in commissions in micros. Not trading day in the books. 2 more trading days for Apex. Hey, congratulations, 100 lot. Nice, nice. I'm still, you know, sitting in this one. It's just gonna be one of those days. Look at this. This is just terrible. This is just terrible. This is non-tradable. That's why I was talking as well, because there's nothing to trade here, guys. Nothing. This London session is a hot steaming pile of bullshit. Non-tradable. Look at the silver bullet hour. Silver bullet hour 82, 8 points on Nasdaq. You know, on ES maybe I would say, okay, you know, ES, but this is on Nasdaq. 10 points. That made maximum 10 points range on the nothing. Guys, this is nothing. This is painful. This is actually painful. I don't even care if I lose this evaluation account trade. This is just one small trade, like 80 bucks or something is the risk. I don't care. Couldn't care less. I was hoping we would be reaching up for that 5/15 minute fair value gap. It's not happening. It could be wiping out the Asia low down here, 263. I'm not willing to do anything. Yeah, no silver bullets today. Horrible London open. This is by far one of the worst London sessions, I think, in the past couple of weeks. It's even worse than last week, Monday or Tuesday. Absolute, very bad. Nothing to do here. Sucks. Concentrated. And shifted flower and rosin to you, bro. This Italian guy, Antonio from Cali, has the best stuff, bro. Award-winning stuff. All right, Naz, enjoy yourself. You know. I'll be hedging CPI for Apex eval. Still fully past to going to. Thank you, 100 lot. I really appreciate it. I really do. Thank you. Guys, to be honest, I don't really want to be in this market. Thank you, 100 lot. I'm really grateful. Actually, without you guys, I said it many times and I will repeat myself 1,000 times. Without you guys, I would not be able to be here full time, and I will promise I will be here streaming. I will be doing more content and we'll be doing giveaways. Without you guys, the support with the codes and everything, I would not be able to do this full time. Erdős József, hello, üdvözöllek. Semmi volume. Yeah, he's saying no volume is not gonna trade in London. Last utolsó nap. Yeah, Joseph is saying last day in London today. Yeah. You know, sometimes it's the opposite. It's the opposite. Néha fordítva van. Néha hetekig New York csinálja ezt, és van, amikor London az, ami megadja, de értelek. Ez a London, ez egy hulladék. Ezt aláírom. Egyébként én is gondolkodok, hogy Londonban esetleg megpróbáljam-e az aranyat behozni jobban. Nézd meg az aranyat. Tehát elképzelhető, hogy ráállok az arany futures-re a London sessionbe, mert az biztos, hogy csinál valamit. So, sorry, the translation real fast. Joseph is saying he's actually quitting the London trades because it's nothing. I mean, he's right, because nowadays Nasdaq is not doing anything in London. So I'm actually thinking to go with gold futures during the London stream, because let's be honest, in the past couple of months, maybe it's a seasonal tendency or yearly tendency, I don't know, but gold, as soon as London kill zone starts, London at least, the gold at least does something. I mean, at least 7 out of 10 times gold does something. So I'm willing to implement it in the future. I don't know. Yeah, Michael. Yeah, Michael. In Florida, bro. This stuff is legal. Okay. Can be shifted. Oh, nice. All right. It's loophole. Maybe because it's summer, beginning of. Yeah, by the way, summertime also does this, but I completely understand the frustration, and that's why I might be picking up gold for the London trades. I don't know. It definitely sucks to trade under these conditions. Selling may go away. Camille, good to see you. Welcome. New York Open slows down too. Yeah, the New York Opens are going to be slower during the summertime as well. So might be wiser to pick up gold maybe. There's enough volume on gold futures to trade with. So we'll see. Anyways, guys, I think I'm going to call it here because this session is just dead meat. Nothing is moving, so I have some stuff to do anyways. So thank you very much for watching. Please use my links and codes if you would like to support, and I'll be back in the New York session. And, you know, I'm going to be doing giveaways too the week. I know we still have some time, so stay tuned, subscribe, like the channel. And I love you all. Thank you everyone for being here. Okay, have a good one. See you guys in the next session. Cheers, everybody.